Hello and welcome to Zoom Review Show. Let's take a look at top 3 recommendations for the week. Number 1, Karate Kid Legends. Directed by Jonathan Entwistle, who brings a fresh vibe to the franchise, Karate Kid Legends teams up martial art legends Jackie Chan and Ralph Macchio for a mentor showdown you didn't know you needed. Their task to train a new hungry prodigy played by Ben Wang, and boy, does this kid pack a punch? Wang brings both charm and impressive martial arts skills, making him a compelling lead who carries the story with aplomb. The film wastes no time jumping into action, from high-energy fight sequences to moments filled with light-hearted humor and heartfelt nods to the franchise's rich history. It's a roller coaster ride for karate fans and newcomers alike. The chemistry between Chan, Macchio and Wang feels genuine. Fans of the franchise will appreciate the many Easter eggs sprinkled throughout, subtle callbacks and familiar faces that remind us why the Karate Kid story has stood the test of time. At the same time, the film is not afraid to have some fun, leaning into a playful, sometimes slightly over-the-top tone that keeps things breezy and entertaining. The Jackie Chan stunt team's choreography stands out, injecting the fight scenes with speed, inventiveness and a splash of that signature Chan flair. While Zoom gives Karate Kid Legends 3.5-star rating. Well, now let's move on to Criminal Justice, A Family Matter. The genial but crafty lawyer Madhav Mishra, played by Pankaj Tripathi, is back for yet another legal conundrum that doesn't test much of his intelligence. Instead, this new murder involving a couple and a mistress has many confounding twists that don't leave the desired impact. Directed by Rohan Sippy, the crime thriller Criminal Justice, A Family Matter will keep you interested in the final outcome, but the excitement levels have dimmed with the formulaic treatment of the show. The 4th season is focused on the Nagpals, a separated husband and wife couple, Raj Mohammad Zishan Ayub and Anju Surveen Chawla. Raj is accused of murdering Roshni Saluja Asha Negi, the caretaker of their 13-year-old daughter, Ira Khushi Bharadwaj, and later Anu is roped in as a potential suspect. It is up to Madhav Mishra and his ace team to stop his client from spending their life in jail. Will the defense be able to prove their case over the police and prosecutors' evidence? The answers seem pretty obvious. Well, Zoom gives Criminal Justice, A Family Matter 2.5-star rating. Well, now let's move on to Kan Khajura. While Kan Khajura is an official remake of the Israeli series Magpie, certain updates done by the makers of the show feel more potent, the first being the title change, which fits Roshan Matthews' Ashu much better. The actor plays Ashu, who re-enters society after spending 14 years in jail as a teenager. Trying to reconnect with his older brother Max Mohit Raina, he ends up destroying his carefully crafted life instead. The Hindi remake is most effective at trying to get to the root of the siblings' relationship. While Kan Khajura plot relocated to Goa, the show examines Max and Ashu's bond as adults. Max is about to embark on an important chapter in his life as he bids to redevelop an impoverished colony with luxury villas. As Max comes up against bureaucratic and other hurdles in his proposal, Ashu decides to help him out in his own way. Their methods show their different approaches and attitudes in life. The brothers' eventual clash is oddly compelling to watch as they air all their grievances. Well, Zoom gives Kan Khajura 3 stars rating. Well, I hope you must have selected your favorite pick of the week. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching Zoom for more updates.